In this video, we're going to determine the target star using WCS coordinates as applied through astrometry.net. In this particular example, I'll be using DS9, which is an astronomical imaging software. However, this process should play out somewhat the same for anything that can accept a FITS header. So MiraPro or AstroImageJ, you'll both have relatively the same process of going about finding your target star. And if you'd like to take a moment and write down this link for astrometry.net, we will be using astrometry.net. And to begin this process, we need to know the RA and declination of our target star. And we should know that already, but if you don't by some chance, you can find that in the FITS header. So for DS9, to find it, we'll go to File and Display Header. And then we want to go down to where it says our RA and our dec. So this is where the telescope was aiming, and that should be pretty spot on with the target star. So I'm going to make a note of 215924 for our RA and 511036 for the declination. The first step in this process is going to be uploading this image to astrometry.net. So we will first apply the WCS coordinates to the image that I have on hand here. And again, here's the link that I showed in the beginning of the video. All we're going to do is choose the file that we'd like to upload and upload. Now this might take a few minutes because it kind of depends on the amount of volume that astrometry.net is getting at the time. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to pause, and this is the screen that we're waiting for from astrometry.net. I'm looking for this green success text, and then we'll go to the results page. And from here, we can go to the new FITS image. That's what we're looking for. This is the one with the WCS coordinates. I'll right click and maybe I can just click it. There we go, and it downloads. So I'll move this onto my desktop and open it up using whatever imaging software that I'd like. And here we have our image. As you can see here, WCS is populating as I kind of move my cursor around the screen. And just to give you a comparison, here we have no WCS. You can see we're blank on the first image we opened up, but we do have WCS coordinates here. So this is the one we care to look at. And what I'll do just to make this a little bit easier on myself is play around with the contrast a little bit so I can see stars a little bit more distinctly. In DS9, I'll just go to Scale and Z-Scale. You can see it really pops now. And all I have to do is try to line up my cursor so that WCS here matches what the RA and declination is of my target star. So what I'm looking for is a right ascension of 215924 and a declination of 511036. So we're moving around 2159 and 5110, that's good. And 215923, we're pretty close. 24 is right up here. I don't see anything right there. What about our declination? How's that look? 10 and 34. We're looking for 10 and 36, which is right here. So I'd say that this is our target star, right in the middle as it should be, but in case for whatever reason you're a little bit nervous about choosing the wrong star to do your analysis on, this is a pretty quick and easy way of determining your target star. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please